Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down to find the wallpapers and style. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got some static wallpapers and of course we can pick some of those options, and here we've got also online wallpapers to which you will have the access if you will have the internet connection. So as you can see we've got more pretty options to choose from, and basically if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. And as you can see, this is how it looks like on the full screen. And what is more, you can also check other wallpapers here, so you don't have to get back to the previous page, previous section. Just swipe here. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system if you want to, of course. So let me do it, because why not? Just tap on wallpaper picking, and as you can see, your device will pick 4 different areas from which it will take the colors. So just confirm it, or you can change them if you want to. And basically this is it. After getting back, you can see that the wallpaper has been applied to the home screen. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.